Hey everyone, welcome to a summer edition of product news from Semaphore. During the summer, we were working on something that you guys were, looking for and anticipating for quite some time. It is about our new features that is called job rerun. Up until now, when you run your workflow and the pipelines in your workflow, if the pipeline fails, the one thing that was possible to do is to rerun the whole block, and then basically all the jobs that are part of that block would be run again. And that was quite useful. But the next level, or something that is even more useful and will make your pipelines even faster, is to rerun a specific job or exactly the jobs that actually failed. You will get the feedback faster and it will be cheaper to run. So that is something that we want to introduce right now. This is a feature that we will be rolling out pretty soon to everybody. So my colleague Nick was working on it, and he will demo the functionality.
Yes, as Marco mentioned before, when you were rebuilding the pipeline, every job inside the block where the job was failing had to be rerun. With this new functionality, the default behavior will change. Instead of rebuilding every job on the block, we will be rebuilding only the ones that failed. Other jobs on the block and other past jobs will be carried over and reused in this new pipeline. We also exposed a flag in the YAML called block rebuild that will allow you to retain the old behavior where the whole block will be rebuilt. And as you can see here, only the failing jobs were built, and the jobs that were passed before were basically carried over to this new pipeline so that the topology of the workflow is retained. That's pretty much it. It will also be built only for those new jobs. The old jobs will be excluded from the billable time.
So the benefits are faster turnaround time on the failed jobs and savings in time and, of course, money. For us, this is a beginning of what we are planning to do in the second half of 2026. We call it doubling down of the CI. This is the first building block. In the future, we are going to talk about more in detail of how does the CI look like in the agent-driven software development world. First step was sem-ai as the agent-native interface to the CI. This is one important building block. During the month of September, we will be announcing more things that will be beneficial for the agentic CI use.
Just to add, the sem-ai is well aware of this new behavior, so agents should be able to pick up and start rebuilding this in this new way.
Excellent. Thank you.